Since 1986, Roadbond EN1 has been used with exceptional results to stabilize clay subgrade soil and road base material. Many independent reports, lab tests, field trials, and hundreds of completed projects prove the success of this remarkable product. Roadbond EN1 provides a significant strength increase in the treated soil. Also, the soil is 4 times less permeable, and the dry weight is up to 15% heavier than lime-treated soil. Greater mass and reduced permeability in the strengthened subgrade results in more durable roads, streets, and parking areas. Compared over time, Roadbond EN1 equals and surpasses the durability and benefits of lime stabilization. TxDOT has used lime stabilization in clay subgrade soil for many years. FM 167 near Acton was constructed using the standard specification: lime in the subgrade, limestone base, and asphalt overlay. Less than 5 years later, many soft spots and failures were repaired, and the road was repaved. Other examples of the performance of lime stabilization include US 67, FM 4, FM 916, Highway 6, and FM 8. These TxDOT projects were constructed using lime in the subgrade, and each project required extensive repairs within 4 to 7 years. Compare these outcomes to the performance of Roadbond EN1 subgrade stabilization on Bond Ranch Road. After 17 years, there are no soft spots or repairs, and the only maintenance is an asphalt overlay placed over the original chip seal paving. Another example: in November 2003, the Hampton Inn parking area was stabilized with Roadbond EN1. The treated clay soil was solid and resisted damage from rain and construction traffic. Loaded cement trucks had no adverse effect during construction, and the parking area was stabilized and paved in less than 5 days. 13 years after construction, the parking area has required no maintenance. Contrast that to the Holiday Inn Express built on the adjoining site 4 years later. In only just 9 years, the lime-stabilized parking area has significant breaks in the concrete pavement, and a large section has been completely replaced. In 2001, the city of Arlington, Texas widened Matlock Road from 2-lane blacktop with ditch drainage to 4-lane concrete pavement separated by a median. The plans specified 8 inches of concrete paving placed over lime-treated clay soil. However, the clay soil in the transition area between the new construction and the narrower existing intersecting road was stabilized 8 inches deep with Roadbond EN1. The section was paved with a 4-inch asphalt overlay placed directly over the stabilized clay soil. After 2 years, the lime-treated section has extensive breaks and separations that have been repaired. Yet the Roadbond EN1 section has no cracks or soft spots and has required no maintenance. After 7 years, a few small cracks have appeared in the asphalt of the Roadbond EN1 section, but no failures or soft spots. The lime-treated section has worsened further and required more maintenance. After 12 years, the Roadbond EN1 section has no soft spots or failures. Conversely, entire panels of concrete pavement on the lime-treated section have been removed and replaced. In 1995, the Texas Department of Transportation used Roadbond EN1 to stabilize the recycled in-place material on FM 857. 9 years later, the stabilized material is performing well. 20 years after construction, the road is still performing well and was tested for CBR strength using the Kessler Dynamic Cone Penetrometer. The device is handheld and equipped with a 17-pound hammer that drops 22 inches and strikes an anvil. These blows drive a 7/8 inch diameter 60-degree cone into the ground, and the penetration depth is measured and recorded. Once the data is obtained, The number of blows delivered to the anvil and the total depth of the penetration are entered into a Microsoft Excel template developed by the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers. The template mathematically converts the raw data to CBR, and the average CBR 20 years after construction is 88. Also, TxDOT Loop 820, which has Roadbond EN1 in the subgrade, needed no repairs after 15 years. Roadbond EN1 was used on FM 561 to repair perennial soft spots caused by spring water seeping underneath the pavement. As noted by TxDOT, the area went from, quote, requiring annual repairs to no signs of failure after 2 years, end quote. Several residential subdivisions contrast Roadbond EN1 stabilization to lime stabilization. One subdivision is Willow Springs West, built in 1998. Phase 1 has lime stabilized subgrade, and Phase 2 has Roadbond EN1 stabilized subgrade. After 7 years, Phase 1 with lime shows extensive repairs, and Phase 2 with Roadbond EN1 has very few repairs. After 7 years, it is easy to see where Phase 1 ends and Phase 2 begins. Phase 1 with lime has many depressions, alligator cracks, and repairs. The Roadbond EN1 section has a well-shaped crown and very few cracks. After 18 years, the difference is clearly obvious. Another subdivision is Sun Valley Estates. Developed in 1997, Phase 1 was constructed using Roadbond EN1 in the subgrade, and Phase 2 used lime in the subgrade. After 11 years, Phase 1 with Roadbond EN1 has required very little maintenance. However, Phase 2 with lime lasted only 11 years, and in 2008, it was completely rebuilt. After 19 years, Phase 1 with Roadbond EN1 has received some expected maintenance. However, Phase 2 with lime, rebuilt in 2008, is once again in need of extensive repairs. The Grand Lakes Warehouse Facility. FM 1616. Parkland Hospital. Arlington Commerce Center Warehouse Facility. Boulders Apartment Complex. Harlandale Avenue. Heritage Parkway Capital Improvement Project, and numerous other streets and roads have all lasted from 11 to well over 20 years, with little or no maintenance. These are just a few of the many projects that exemplify the performance and durability of Roadbond EN1. Years after completion, Roadbond EN1 projects consistently require less maintenance and repair than do projects stabilized with other products. However, many are tempted to resist innovation, even when recurring failures, expensive construction costs, and adverse environmental impact suggest the need to change and improve. Roadbond EN1 is an innovative product that saves time, money, and natural resources, both during construction and for years afterward. Take advantage of the long-term benefits of Roadbond EN1 patented soil stabilizer on your next project.